afternoon to you all, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, and my fellow students. I am Francis Kwesi Edu, student of TAU, reading a course program, Master's Degree in Information Technology. Today, I have the immense pleasure to introduce to you my project topic, End User Security Awareness Campaign from Information Security Threat, Vulnerabilities, and Consistent Cyber Attacks. In your screen, you can have the overview about the whole End User Security Awareness Program on how we can keep sensitive data and information safe from any attacks. Now, let's take a look about the outline. Why the study topic, End User Security Awareness Campaign from Information Security Threat, Vulnerabilities, and Consistent Cyber Attacks. And also, we are going to ascertain to the importance of the Security Awareness Campaign Program. Thirdly, we are going to find out the benefit associated with the Security Awareness Campaign Program to the end users and the organizations. Now, introduction. In this 21st century of information age, individuals and organizations are having it very dicey for not having inadequate assurance of their own data and information safe from breach by any attacker in the field of information systems due to the consistent cyber attacks. According to numerous research and analysis conducted, information is the biggest asset in every organization, and the users of every system are the weakest link, liable to disclose confidential information through the manipulation process, which is social engineering practices, when there is no policy of achieving the CIA triad. In this paper, we are going to partake in the significant study and the benefit embodied in the End User Security Awareness Campaign in business organizations around the global countries, its benefits, and the future precautions. Now, the background of study, which is information security and cyber security. Information security and cyber security are classified as hypothetically and control measure entangled to assure the pathway of keeping sensitive data and information safe to save money from any attacks on all kinds of business organizations and individual lives that partake the usage of computers and mobile systems. The study background of this paper is in the field of information security and cyber security on how to enforce the CIA triad, that is confidentiality, integrity, and availability, as a control measures to protect the end users against social engineering from any threat, vulnerability, and consistent cyber attacks. Now, what are the problem statements? The problem statement is ransomware attacks. Protection of information has become a challenge to individual lives and business of organization today. In your figure 1 and 2 below depict the concurrent ransomware attacks captured within the year 2017, yet to experience more. Ransomware WannaCry and Petya uses the external blue to propagate, and it affected over 230 victims and more than 300,000 computers and mobile devices around the global countries, which is subject to increase. It encrypts the victim's data and demands a ransom Bitcoin cryptocurrency payment, which is started from $300 to be remitted by the victim, and then subject to increase in every 3 days, which is $600 if delayed. The research and analysis reviewed within the year, which is 2007, testified the source of these consistent ransom attacks is through the manipulation and exploitation of server message block into bracket SMB port under the Microsoft Windows operating system environment and other OS. Now, in your picture showing the ransomware attacks, which is WannaCry and Petya. Now, what are our specific objective of this presentation is to keep sensitive data and information safe from any attacks. Now, the primary goal of this article, End User Security Awareness Campaign on their respective influence about security threats, vulnerability, and cyber attacks against social engineering is to ensure confidentiality, integrity, and availability, which is the CIA tried in the field of information security in organizations. Now, what are our methodologies? The literature research examined reviewed the incident that occurred in May-June 2017, which is ransomware cyber attacks, popularly known as WannaCry and Petya, affected many countries and government agencies in the countries around the globe, such as Ukraine, Germany, and others. Now, what are our results? On your screen, showing the graph analysis and statistical reports of the WannaCry and Petya ransomware attacks. In conclusion, lastly, the consistent ransom cyber attacks and its panacea stated in this paper will not guarantee the 100% of security assurance, but it can be controlled and mitigated to the minimum if only the end users awareness campaign program is factored into consideration, controlled, and monitored as a first level of security assurance and policies and procedure in every organizational business functions. Now, what are our future remarks? Every user of computer system should be more cautious about the rampant consistent ransomware attacks against social engineering practices that partakes phishing, pretexting, quid pro quo, baiting, and telegating in the field of information security to avoid the subsequent threats and vulnerabilities which are yet for us to be experienced. So without further ado, I hereby end my presentation, which is End User Security Awareness Campaign program, whereby we can adhere to mitigate control.